Alpine Pat here, Thursday, December 8th. Hard to believe Alpine Valley's been open for 3 weeks and being 100% open during that time, except for the first 2 days. We were 70% open. But I'll tell you, what has been open has been our terrain park. Multiple features were installed by opening day. In fact, they had features out here in October. These guys are, when it comes to laying out features, these guys do it. I have here assistant terrain park manager, Jake, goes by the nickname of Breezy. You have to ask him how you got that name, but great job, Jake, to you and the staff here. I mean, this park looks awesome. You keep things fresh, you keep things lively. But tell me, what could somebody expect to see here at Alpine Valley that only comes out like once or twice a year? What kind of features? What kind of?
Well, this weekend we got a pretty mellow set here on Shelter. We got some beginner features mixed in with a couple advanced features. Alpine Beginner Park, we got rails, we got boxes, we got a nice size jump for you beginner kids to start on. And then the infamous Mohawk rope will be running this weekend. We got a couple heavy rail features on it for you guys. Hockey built a couple transitions. It's gonna be fun. Come out and enjoy the fun with us.
I'll tell you, this terrain park amazes me. I walk through it one day and I go through it the next day. What happened to this box? What happened to this rail? You guys mix it up, you keep it fresh.
Yep.
And I tell you, with snow in the forecast tomorrow, I'm hearing 3 to 5.
Woo!
I'm hearing 3 to 5.
Let's go.
And guess what? That's gonna bring Santa in on Saturday. Santa's expected to arrive in the valley around 10 a.m. on Saturday morning. He's gonna have a nice list and a naughty list. Jake, I heard you're on the nice list. That's got to be an error. That's got to be a typo.
I don't know. I've been pretty good this year.
I'm gonna have them check it. But I'll tell you, my feeling is, what goes on in the valley stays in the valley. Come on, fastest way to fun, Alpine Valley. Jake, we do a booyah, okay? Booyah! Booyah!